I don't
You
know,
got
guys.
48. 48.
I've only eaten 12.
Yeah.
Oh, man. I'm back at Wendy's. The challenge that was made to me, I had commented how much I love your spicy chicken nuggets. Who doesn't? I can eat them all day. Well, Wendy's, you have a 50-piece nugget for $9.99. We're gonna separate the men from the boys. The chows from the no chows. The carnivores from the omnivores. I'm not even sure if I got that right.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. How may I take your order?
Hi, I have a mobile order.
What's your name?
Dchow.
Good job. Alright, thank you both.
Thank you.
You don't mind just pulling up to that door? You're waiting on that family spicy nuggets.
Yeah, spicy chicken and the family size nuggets.
Yeah, you're waiting on the family size nuggets.
Alright.
All right, now. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Wendy's.
So I guess this is my new home. My wife's gonna be calling soon. She'd be like, it's my damn spicy chicken. This is her Dr. Pepper. See, I got mind games over my wife. She'd be like, shut the hell up. I'd be quiet. But when she leaves, I'd be talking again. So, how long do you think it's gonna take me to eat 50 chicken nuggets, or if I can even eat them at all? So, that's what I want you guys to do. I want you to guess right now in the comments. Leave your comment. Say, what's your guess on how many and how long? I'm gonna have a beer with this too. Because I want one. I want a beer, so what? Anyway, I did order fries. I'm only gonna eat fries if I feel like I need to offset the spiciness. Oh, here we go. Here we go. What up? Got my 50 nuggets in here?
Yep.
Do I need to count them? Is there 50?
I mean, if you want to, you can go ahead, but no, there should be 50 in there for you.
I'll take your word for it.
Alright, good night.
Spicy chicken. It's my wife's. You guys know, I always check my wife's sandwich. It's good. Alright. So, let me know how many you think I'm going to eat and how long it takes. And then leave a second comment to say, Dchow, I was way off. You ate so many more than I thought you would, and so fast. This is what 50 chicken nuggets look like. Yeah, I see that the timer might hinder how many nuggets you can see. These are piping hot, guys. So let's just get this timer going. I gotta reach. Oh boy. Oh, it's on. One sitting. Come on. Who am I? Yeah. spicy nugget with the barbecue sauce. You weren't here. Every day, I'm out here running around in the sauce. Put some shoes on. No. Take your socks off. No. You put holes in your socks. So? God, these kids today. How am I doing?
You're like 40 left.
Yeah. More French fry? Fries are kind of cool. My patio sliding doors right on the other side of this camera. My wife keeps giving me the look. You know, she doesn't approve of this. You love color. Ugh. Yeah, I'm looking for a good one.
Mom asked me what number you are, and I said, no idea.
I think I should have picked some of these jalapeno peppers. It's not rotting. It's just.
What kind is that? Like the green one?
Yes.
Are they supposed to be like?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Are those spicy?
Yeah.
Spicy.
Of course they're spicy.
I just had nugget chips out. And I was like, what? Oh my god.
Trying to figure out how many I got left. Try counting them.
That's 48. 48.
I've only eaten 12.
Yeah.
Right now they're going. How about that kid who brought the food out to me? I said, do I need to count? How do we know there's 50? And if you want, go ahead. Translation was, fuck. I never swear, guys. I know. That's exactly what he wanted to say to me. You didn't hear anything. You didn't hear a thing. No, you didn't. Do not tell your mom because you didn't hear a thing. I will deny it. It's not like there's any video proof. Stop laughing.
You're laughing.
I don't know, guys. I don't know. Hold on. 8, 10. I just can't. I'm losing function. I have to go to, so okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Remember 9. 2, 4, 6, 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. 50 minus 17. Yeah.
Dchow fourth, Dchow's the best.
Yeah, I ate. This is like 39 chicken nuggets so far. Spicy nuggets from Wendy's. Rules 50. Alright. You mean my video?
Or should I say K-show?
What have you been doing other than just swinging and jumping off?
It's only Joe. He's trying to do a challenge. If you can eat 50 spicy chicken nuggets.
He's cheating with the barbecue.
That's not cheating.
He just needs strength.
Yeah.
Also, he will never make it.
Hey, except with that Coors Light.
No, because you're 10. Alcohol minors.
7, 8. He has 12 left.
Oh my god.
He has 12 left. See how much he ate? 48 so far.
I got 12. Wait, what? 4, 8, 10, 12. Damn it. If I eat 2 more, I ate 40. I can live with that. I just gotta get to 2 more.
He must have 14. Yeah.
Ugh.
He's starting to get really full. He might be.
Starting to.
He's been full since.
I mean,
First tuna.
sushi tonight, so.
That's my big soda right there on the bag. That's mine. Soda. This is like really dry.
Stop talking crap on my jalapeno plant.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
How are you always wrong?
I'm Mexican. That's how I know.
You're not. You're
Probably 2% Mexican.
1,000% American. And it's been 24 minutes.
You can finish that.
You can finish that one.
I would have been done with that in 2 minutes.
No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't. I would have been done with my soda if that was sad.
Alright, I gotta finish one more. And this time, guys, if anyone wants to challenge, see if they can eat the 50 spicy chicken nugget challenge from Wendy's, however the hell you want to call it, let's see you do it. I want to see you do it.
I'll do it.
You won't do it.
Yeah, well.
If you will, bring me.
Let's make your own video. I will film you trying.
Okay.
You could probably eat it only you.
Make your own video. Use the hashtag Dchow.
I could eat some.
Upload it to YouTube. Or if you're not a YouTuber, don't want to upload your own video, you want to make a video though, you can send it to me at dadschow@gmail.com. We'll get it up.
Let me guess.
Solo video.
Oh my gosh, you've been full since the first chicken nugget you ate.
No.
You have.
See, these kids keep talking to me. I'm not sure if you guys can hear them because there's great music playing in the background.
No, there isn't.
I add it later.
All I hear is birds chirping.
Yeah.
This is my last one.
Yeah, finish it.
Yeah, finish it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How did I not know that? That's a cheater.
What did I cheat?
Drink. Red Rocco?
You can drink whatever you want.
Red Rocco the
The
treat.
cheating is a barbecue sauce. Gotta use buffalo.
Count them out. There's 10 left. 2, 5, 8, 10.
I counted 50.
I can't do it anymore. That's gonna do it, guys.
30-minute one video.
You know I have a hard time.
I'll put the over mouth and then chew them.